Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about.
Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about antipsychotic. Let us now learn the list of drugs used in acute mania. Okay, we will see the list of drugs used in acute mania. Lithium, sodium valproate is used in acute mania. Then carbamazepine, lithium, sodium valproate, carbamazepine, and even atypical antipsychotics are associated with acute mania. Then if you see, lithium is indicated. Lithium is the drug which is indicated in both acute mania and also for maintenance therapy. It is used for both acute mania and for maintenance therapy. We use lithium. So this is about the acute mania. Thank you for watching.
Thank you and thank you for watching.